This is Illustrative Math Lesson 11, Matching Groups. Let's find groups that have the same number of images. So we're going to start with our warm-up. We're going to start with how many do you see, and these are different arrangements. In a moment, you'll see a picture. As you look at the picture, ask yourself, how many do you see and how do you see them? We'll take 30 seconds of think time. How many dots do you see and how did you see them? Oops. What are some things you notice about the dots? Did you count them? Did you just know how many? Did it remind you of something? How many do you see and how do you see them? Did you see one group of 4 dots or did you see 2 groups, one group of 3 and one group of 1? Did you count the dots? Did they make you think of something? How many do you see and how do you see them? Did you notice that this design was similar to the last design? How did you know how many dots there were? All of these images have 4 dots, but the dots are arranged differently. Acted out representing the story of 3 little monkeys. Let's read a story. First, you will hear a story about monkeys. Then, we will discuss how to act it out. Finally, we will act the story out as a class. Three little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." How did the story of the monkeys start? How many were jumping on the bed at the beginning? What happened after the monkeys were jumping on the bed? What did Mama do when the monkey bumped his head? What did the doctor say to the monkeys? Act out this story. If you have 3 dolls or something that you can pretend to jump, act out the story of the 3 little monkeys. Have them pretend jumping on their bed, and then have one fall off and bump his head. How many monkeys are left on the bed? Now we're going to do a matching groups activity. Let's find groups with the same number of images. 1. First, you will see some cards. 2. Then we'll match groups that have the same number. 3. Finally, we will share how you match the cards. Which groups have the same number of images? Which two groups did you choose that had the same number? How did you know? What did you notice? How can you figure out which groups have the same number of images? Which two pictures have the same number of images? There are 2 bicycles and 2 backpacks. How did you know? Now it is centers or choice time. You may use your pattern blocks, geoblocks, connecting cubes, to create or design something of your choosing. Have fun!